Fam, welcome once again to the channel Sunset Drone GH. Today we are coming to you from Bantama, Koko Ase. There is a match between the old Black Star players and the Bantama All Stars. Then the Kumasi All Stars. This match features a lot of great players like Apia, Emmanuel Ajimambadu, John Pentel, Kwesi Apia. Coach Kwesi Apia is featuring live for the Kumasi 11. Then we have Richard Olele Kingston, Sami Ajay, a lot of great players who have all been doing great things for Ghana in the past are all present here today playing this match. We have Honorable Asenso Boache playing for Bantama 11. Then so many great Kotoko old players, Asufuk old players who are all living in around Kumasi are all present at this stadium as this beautiful pitch is being inaugurated today by the President of the Republic of Ghana. Yeah, come to test and see how much depth these people are holding as they have ended majority of them has ended their football career. It's a beautiful scene to behold, as you can see from the shots, the stands, people cheering them up and all that. You love it. These amazing scenes that you're seeing here right now. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to click on the red subscribe button, wait for some few minutes, click on the notification bell so that whenever we post our videos, you'll be notified and you can watch them. Please try as much as possible to like, comment and share our videos. Let us be interactive. Share your thoughts on the videos that we share or like post for you to watch each and every day. And please do well to share it for others to watch the video. This is a nice project, beautiful pitch, football pitch, Astro Turf, and it's very nice and beautiful, as you can see. Please sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Enjoy the game. Most of the matches or the games were won by the Black Star old players, who majority of them are still in good form. They exhibited great talent, football talent here today, and I hope you love it. Sit back and watch this lovely video.